Welcome back, guys. Johnny here, and in today's video I'm going to talk about VYNE Therapeutics and how they have a 100% buy rating right now from 7 analysts, and they have a high price target of $40. Now, a more realistic price target would be around $19 to $22, but currently this stock price is at $6.81. Now, let's talk about how you can make money on a short-term basis, like say a couple of days or a week, while we wait for this stock to go up to that awesome $20 or $40 mark. I'm also going to share with you how many shares I have of this company and what I've been doing for the last month. If you are interested, stick around till the end of this video. Now, as you can see, VYNE Therapeutics is a 100% buy rating from 7 analysts on Webull currently. They have a high price target of $40, they have an average price target of $19, and a low price target of $10. So even if in a worst case scenario you invested at $6.78, you would be able to, worst case, get out about $10. But let's go over some of the news real quick. As far as the news goes, VYNE Therapeutics has been granted a U.S. patent titled Surfactant-Free, Water-Free, Formable Composition and Breakable Foams. Now, that's very interesting. This was from Benzinga about 3 hours ago. And not only did I see that, but I wanted to say that LifeSci Capital sticks to a buy rating. Barclay adjust price target from $12 to $15. They get a buy rating from Northland Securities and much more. Not only that, but there are people who are currently buying into this company. They're also weighted in some of the indexes, which is pretty awesome. Let me go over to that real quick if I could find it. Some insider activity going on. And let's see, ETF weighting. This is what I wanted to show you. They have a 0.1% ETF weighting in a Defiance NASDAQ Junior Biotechnology ETF. As you can see over here on the side, they also are in the Vanguard Russell 2000, the iShares Russell, the SPDR, ProShares Ultra Russell, Vanguard. A lot of these ETFs do have a small percentage inside this company, so which is pretty cool. Now let's go to the charts. Let's talk about what this has been doing and where do I see it going. And also, as you can see now, my shares, I now have 60 shares at a average price of $7.33. Just a while back, not even long ago, it went and surpassed that mark. As you can see here, it was at $6.42 at March 24th. At that point, I could have sold all my shares and made a whopping like 6 doll hairs. But I did not want to do that because I see great potential in this company. And that's what I want to go over next with you guys, okay? So, as you can see, if we start here, it's at about $6.88, and then it had a huge sell-off, as you can see on the MACD indicator, all the way down to a $6.25 support level. Now, it has not actually passed this support level the last couple days, and then it bounced back up, went down, and now it is actually surpassed this level, which creates a new support line at $6.57 roughly, and they have not passed that support level since 3/31. It is now 4/6. It is April 6th. So what could be done to make some money while you wait for this company to go up? Well, let's look at that. If you would have bought this company, say even at the 650 mark, right, or say 645 on 330, it's 10:20 a.m., and you held it, say, till the $7 mark even, for one, which is just a matter of, I believe, 1 day, you would have made 8% profit. Now, 8% isn't a heck of a whole lot, but in a swing trade, it definitely is. Again, that is one way that you could make some quick money while you're waiting for this company to go up. You waited the additional day and do a 2-day swing trade, you could have made $9.32. Now, coulda, shoulda, woulda is not in my vocabulary, so let's go ahead and look at what you can do now, what you can do next to make money, because it's all great like, oh, I could have made money a week ago, but how do we make money again? So here we go. For all of you who are using Webull and Robinhood and all these different companies, you can see how much a company will be down or up on a specific day. So if they had a recent resistance line at $7, okay, $7.06. All right, as you can see, we've now created our own kind of RSI indicator where it hits the resistance line here. So RSI shows it's overbought, and the MACD also indicates that it is in an upward trend. And then now, as you can see, it's gone down slightly and continued to fall, right? But that's a good thing for us, right? Because you can buy this company here at the 650 mark, okay? Trend line. Say, okay, even if you bought it today, right, at 682, now you gotta be careful because this is in the middle, right? You're not gonna make much. If you get to 7, you're only gonna make about 3.5%, right? 3.5%. It's not much. But the downside is you could lose about the same, 3.5 to 4% you could lose. So right now I would not necessarily invest in it unless you are a long-term player. Now, if you wanted to just get a little skin in the game and do some short-term trading, then you could do that. But what you want to do is average down, okay? So say you did buy at the 682 mark. Then when it goes down to 650, you'd buy more shares. And as it continues to rise, you'd sell some shares and lock in some profit. And you could do this over and over and over. Or you could just keep building up your position. Now, obviously, I'm at $7.33 average share. So in my opinion, I would want to buy more shares. Even if it was at the 682 mark, it almost cut it in half if I bought 60 more. You know, say it'd be at like a 7-ish, right? I'd be right on that resistance line. Now, to keep moving forward on this video, if you were happen to buy this company on 4/6, which is technically today, okay, at 10 o'clock in the morning, then right now you would be up 4%. If you hold out until you get to the $7 mark, you'd be at 7%. And that's not bad for a matter of a day or two or a few hours, right? Not bad at all. 7%, throw $1,000 in there. You're going to make $70 in a day. That's pretty good work right there. Now, meantime, while you're waiting, and this is just kind of fun to do meantime because this, company seems to be kind of in this upward, just kind of like crazy volatility levels, right? What you could then do, let's go to the 1 month, 1 hour chart. And bear with me, guys, okay? Bear with me for all you guys hanging on to this right here. Now, as you can see, remember the stock split? It went from $2.59 and it jumped up to $11.20. Well, now they're saying that it's potential to go up to $20, $40. Well, what does that look like? What does that look like if you can get it even up to a, say $15 level? Okay, let's do our trend line real quick. Now, if you can buy in right now at even 658, no, let's say 680 or 7, because say it's going up. Say it hits that resistance line at 695, right? And it starts going up because they're saying it can go to $10. Well, even $10 in 20 days, say that's an average, you'd make 60%. Now, it might take a year, it might take a few months. Say it takes, 70 days, but still 60%. It's only at a $10 level. What if it goes to 15? 132%. What if it goes to 18, just underneath the level of 19, which is an average price? 167%. Now that is amazing, guys. 167%. Imagine making that much by holding on to a company right now in the future, right? Okay. Now look at this. Let's see if I break it out a little bit more for everyone who's still hanging out with me right now. See if I can get this even higher up. Go to a 6-month chart. Okay, because their levels have been higher than this before. Come on, let's see. Break it up. See if it'll let me do it. Okay, even at the $7 mark, we missed the train. We didn't know what to do. Nope, it's still not going to let me go all the way up. Okay, 5-year. Here we go. Okay, now this is where we can get into some heavy duty shit. Some good stuff. Okay, now, what if it does go up to the $40 price point, right? What if it does? Well, it does. Okay. Because right now there is a resistant line too of $30 before it did the reverse stock split. So, okay, you buy in here. Say you missed the train a little bit. It's at 683. So maybe you don't invest until, say, 7. Because you want to see it go up a little bit, right? Say you invest at 7. It goes up to $40. Imagine, $40. Even if it took a year to get to $40, you'd be at 473% in capital gains. That's amazing. That is tremendous. So it's potentially a fantastic company to get involved in, right? But this is never a for sure thing. It really isn't, because we don't know where this company is going to go. What if they did another reverse stock split, right? These are just all factors to think about when investing. But as far as I can see, this company is actually starting to do better than previous years. Okay? They're starting to make up some of that loss from over the years. They have 4.68 million in revenue. You know what I mean? So they're getting there. Compared to 2020, they only had 2 million. Right? And as people attract, as this company attracts more people and more attention, more people are going to invest in it. I mean, I have 60 shares currently right now. View order details. Don't have any. But look, if you guys are still watching, the last month I have been very busy doing a lot of different things. I'm still investing. I've raised my account portfolio up tremendously from where it was before. And if you guys want to know what my portfolio is valued at currently, go ahead and leave a comment. And that you even stuck around and watched this, because I do have some followers out there who are curious and love my videos, and I appreciate all you guys watching. Got a new car, so if you guys want me to do a car reveal, something different besides stocks, I can. I'm pretty happy about it. It is a awesome, fantastic vehicle. I love it to death, and I'm so grateful to have been able to buy it. All due to stocks and investing and never taking no for an answer, just finding someone to make that next deal. And it's been a tremendous blessing. So if you guys want more insider information or more stuff behind the life or whatever, go ahead and comment that below. If you want more stock videos, make sure you smash that like button, because I love doing stock videos. I'm so happy to be back doing them. It's been a while, and I am sorry for the delay. It's been probably a month or so since I've done a video, and I just want to say I appreciate all your guys' support, and have a great day.